this video we're going to learn how to use formats to create groups for numeric variables. So the program that I have written here is very similar to program 20.7. At least it covers the same issue, which is creating groups for variables that are numeric. So I'm going to be working with this data set. It's called the VIX data set that I have uploaded into my work library. Let's take a look at it. The first column is the date, second column is the monthly maximum VIX corresponding to this particular month, and this is the logarithm of that value. So let's say that I want to classify or categorize the monthly max VIX into normal or high. Normal value would be something up to 30, and then high would be something greater than 30. So how do I do that? How do I create that? Well, I can create a format using proc format, and basically I will say, well, value, and then this is the name of the format, right? Group. I'm gonna call it group, and from the lowest value to 30, I'll call it normal. From 30.00001, and I chose 6 decimal places because actually if you look here, that's the maximum number of decimal places in the data set. To the highest value, I will call it large. Okay, and then if I have a dot, then they'll be missing, right? So that is my format, which I want to apply to the monthly max VIX. So I want then, after that, I want a table, a frequency table for normal and large, to see how many normals do I have, how many large do I have, to what percentages, right? So we started with a numeric variable, which is the monthly max VIX, and then we're transforming that variable into a categorical variable or character variable, which is normal and large, right? It has these two categories based on the values of this numeric variable. So this is how you do it. First, you have to create the format, and then with the proc frequency data work VIX, because I have my VIX data set in the work library, tables, you write the variable, which is basically the monthly max VIX as a numeric variable. I'm asking for no cumulative percentages or frequencies in my table, and then I have to put a format statement saying that basically I'm applying the format group, which should be followed by a dot, so so SAS reads it as a format, to this variable, and then it will count how many normal and how many large and how many missing you have. Okay, so let's run that, and there you go. So you see, so now you have a frequency table that tells you that 79.19% of the values were normal and 20.81% of the values were large.